full names are Jinaro Kibet. I am a senior partner in the corporate commercial department. I am also a founder partner of the firm of TRIPLEOKLAW. I am the K in the O's.
Have you employed any methods in dealing with customers, especially during this time where face-to-face meetings aren't as common as they once were?
Initially, I was a very reluctant user of technology for many years, but thank the direction that the firm took in terms of investment in technology, and very quickly we were able to reach out to clients and say, look, we are accessible. We can meet you, whether using whatever means of communication, virtual meetings, virtual conferences, and everything. So that is a new thing. I guess it's been very common later on, but I think initially it was very difficult for a lot of people. It was not very difficult for us.
In line with the power of service, would you say TRIPLEOKLAW has established a foundation in maintaining good customer interactions?
When you look at the growth of the law firm, like I said, initially we were just 4 of us, 4 partners, set up the firm. We have grown. We are crossing almost 100 employees, 11 partners, very many associates. That for me is testimony of the fact that we've been leaders in not only just keeping the clients that we have, but increasing the clients. We have been leaders. I have no doubt about that.
What have been some of the most challenging customer interactions you've had since COVID?
There are clients who, the nature of the work they do, the nature of the way they want to internalize matters, necessarily means for them physical meetings. The next thing is because of the challenges in various offices, including government offices. So we deal with the Ministry of Lands, we deal with the Companies Registry, and all these offices were affected. And therefore access to information, access to documentation has been a big problem.
What procedures do you employ to deal with and address any issues that might arise between your company and the clients?
It is because of what we do right at the beginning. When a client comes to instruct us, we have standard terms of engagement. Okay? We issue a letter to the client, setting out our understanding of the brief, setting out our understanding of their requirement, and setting out our expertise, the people who deal with it, and possibly the number of hours it will take, the quantum of fees, because fees is always a major factor when it comes to disputes. So we have an understanding right at the beginning. So the client has that letter, the client reads, the client signs. Now, we also have in the same letter, our terms of engagement, the procedures to deal with any disputes, the procedures to deal with any complaints by the client. The client then knows that this is a procedure that I will follow in terms of the dispute, or in terms of bringing the dispute or the fallout or the complaint to the attention of somebody else. And that procedure is very independent, so it works very well. We also tell clients that they have the right to terminate our services, right? If you terminate the services, it's not a fight, but for us it is smooth. You terminate, you do it in terms of the terms of engagement. We agree on the work that has been done, the amount of fees that is payable, and you have your documents.